I am energy. You are energy. What you do with your energy determines how you feel. Working out helps to increase energy. It is not the other way around. You don't need energy to work out. Workout helps to supply the energy. It's your lymphatic system moving, circulation pumping, increases your heart rate, and then you're breathing in a fresh oxygen. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. It is a energetic boost to the system. Be aware of what you're eating. A heavy meal, burgers and hot dogs and pizza, a lot of sugary stuff like the soda and the liquor, or a lot of oily stuff like French fries and potato chips. They actually decreases your energy because your body has to digest that, and it does take energy to do that. I recommend that you eat food with angstroms, that is a life force that still have life within them, like the fruits and the vegetables, the whole foods that haven't been processed, haven't been chemically altered. I wake up with energy. You know why? Because I put the phone down at a certain time. I do not scroll on the phone. My energy increase. Limiting the amount of my screen time. When 7 o'clock comes, I will put the phone down and I am sleeping comfortably by 9 p.m. So I can get up at 4 a.m. and I've had adequate sleep. It is not about the quantity of sleep, but it's definitely the quality of sleep. Limit that screen time. That will help to increase your energy, as well as cut off the time that you eat. You want to tap into your circadian rhythm. Your body has a natural time clock of when you should rest, and you have to stop fighting the Sandman. First thing in la mañana, when you wake up, do not drink the coffee and then start scrolling on the phone. That takes energy. Yes, you're laying down and you're just like, it is energy draining to do that, especially 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours of scrolling on a phone. There's your energy. There's your energy right there being sucked out of you, mentally as well as spiritually and physically. If it doesn't evolve you, then it shouldn't involve you. Not only what you consume in your pie hole, what you put in your mouth, but what you consume through the media, what you're listening to on the radio. And it's out here in these YouTube streets. Every single day, I get up and do my workout instead of scrolling on the phone for 2 or 3 hours, which I had really bad scrolliosis. I used to get up and just pick up my phone and scroll for hours and hours, but now I've chosen to get up out of the bed and do my workout instead, drinking my water and minding my business. Please get your workout in. First thing in la mañana when you wake up, go ahead and check it off the list. Water, check. Workout, check. If just one thing that will give you the W for the day, you'll feel so much better. Spiritually, you'll feel much better. Uplifted mentally into where you feel accomplished. If I just get this one thing done, if I just put the phone down and dedicate 2 hours to my goal, to whatever that goal may be, whether it could be fitness, it could be a special project that you're working on. Maybe you're developing some merchandise or a digital product. Maybe you're working on a book, meal prepping. 2 hours, just use that. You can definitely put the phone down. If it is something truly that you want to do, please remain consistent and take the time out for that. And wherever you put focus, it grows. Whatever you put your attention to grows. If you put in half ass effort, you're going to get half ass results. I move my body, and therefore circulation, lymphatic system, digestion, it all works together to keep you in a cleansing state, a detoxing state. No anger, no fuss. You know that causes wrinkles. The more you roll your neck and scrunch your face up at people that cut you off in traffic, that ages you. The more you stress and worry, you honor God within you, you honor God out with you, you have that love that keeps you elevated. And team no excuses, right? So I thank you so much kindly for your time here today, you all. I look forward to seeing you out here in these YouTube streets. Deuces.